know, we have rights. Call the American Embassy.
Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, somebody gave him $250,000. Told him if he took it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target. Only child. Local informant tipped us off. Chandler agreed to work with us. Before he made the drop, somebody took a shot at him. The kid panicked, tried to make it home to his mom in West Virginia, got as far as DC.
It's not just about a dead Marine.
No, we think it's tied to an arms deal case we were working over there. I want you to liaise with him. Pick an agent to go with you.
San Diego?
No, Los Angeles, OSP.
She's still the agent in charge?
You got a problem with that?
Well, no, but she might.
You guys are on the same team. I strongly suggest you work it out. One last thing. Once you identify who's responsible for this, I want them eliminated.